All kind of here na-ekwu. Otu aka eji block wire from 5-star Toyota o. The whole road Debo block no chọrọ isi abata. Akwefu ihe atile we promised land. Etile everywhere. Ya block ya everywhere ma ụzọ niile eji abata Ladikpo. Ụzọ niile eji abata Ladikpo ka block akwe na fu ihe mere ya. Eji moto block wa the whole entrance. The whole entrance ka block o. So all information she can pass here now. I block everywhere. Okada o, moto, they don't allow to enter. You understand? This morning. This one is happening this morning. More we got here this morning. Able motor customer mbo Naija. I'm brutally on this early. I pray for him again. Who's on the neck have block? I pray for far. This is Promised Land Gate. This is Promised Land Gate. You see how they blocked everywhere. This is Promised Land Gate, as you can see. They're blocked everywhere. Even Onye's place itself. Jagaban, Abashisha Bekia. That's everywhere in Ladikpo. Here now, you're planning upon Ladikpo Kabachiri. They follow ya. They're blocked everywhere. So, you know how you are coming. And I guess they are everywhere, everywhere in Ladikpo, everywhere. Everywhere, even the road from here to Ojekunle itself, they're blocked everywhere. Today business, we are in the hand of the Lord. Let's see. Everywhere can block, everywhere. Container is not coming, nothing is coming in, nothing is going out.